signature and should align with your overall brand personality. The way things move in your videos tells viewers about your brand's personality, often subconsciously. Quick, snappy animations feel energetic and modern. Slow, smooth animations feel premium and elegant. Bouncy, playful animations feel fun and approachable. And minimal, subtle animations feel sophisticated and professional. If your animations change randomly from video to video, sometimes bouncy, sometimes smooth, sometimes barely there, you're not building a consistent personality. You're confusing your audience about who you are. Here's the thing, amateur content often has inconsistent motion design. One text box flies in from the left, the next fades in, the next bounces in from the bottom. It looks random and unintentional. Professional content has consistent motion design. Every similar element animates the same way. It looks intentional and polished. This consistency is what makes content feel premium, even if you're creating it yourself on a phone. We divide animation and motion design into two pillars: text animation and graphic elements and overlays. Text animation covers how does text appear, move, and disappear in your videos. This is likely your most common animation, so getting it right is crucial. Graphic elements and overlays covers how do shapes, lines, icons, and other graphic elements move, what's their personality and behavior. These two elements work together to create a cohesive motion design system. Let's define each one. Text animation is huge, because you probably have text in almost every video you create, so how that text appears and behaves becomes a major part of your visual identity. Let me walk you through the main approaches, and as I do, think about which one feels like your brand. Fade in, fade out is the simplest. Text just gradually appears or disappears. No movement, just opacity changing. This feels subtle, professional. The text doesn't call attention to how it appears. This is perfect for brands that want minimal, sophisticated motion, or when you want text to feel secondary to your footage. Slide in, slide out means text enters from off-screen, from the side, top, or bottom. It slides into position and slides out. This feels dynamic. This is perfect for modern brands, content with lots of information, or when you want a sense of progression and movement. Scale in, pop in means text starts small and grows to full size, or starts full size and shrinks away, often with a slight bounce or elastic feel. This feels energetic, attention-grabbing, playful. This is perfect for fun brands, entertainment content, when you want text to feel exciting and engaging. Typewriter effect means text appears letter by letter, like someone's typing it. This feels personal, authentic, like a message being written just for the viewer. This is perfect for personal brands, storytelling content, or when you want to feel intimate and direct. No animation, so hard cut means text just appears instantly. No animation at all. This feels straightforward, no nonsense, lets the content speak. This is perfect for new style content, serious topics, or brands that want zero frills. You need to choose one primary way that text appears in your videos. This becomes your default, your signature text animation. You can have a secondary animation for special moments or different text types, but 80% of your text should use your primary animation style. Also define where text typically appears and how it's aligned. Do you center all text? Use lower thirds? Place text in specific corners? Are headlines always top center? And is supporting text always bottom left? Consistent positioning is part of your motion design system. This ensures every video has the same text layout and behavior. Now let's talk about graphic elements: shapes, lines, icons, borders, overlays, and any visual elements beyond text and footage. First, let's identify what graphic elements you actually use in your videos. Shapes and backgrounds, colored boxes behind text, circular frames, decorative shapes. Do you use these? If so, how do they move? Lines and dividers, underlines, frames, dividers between sections. How do they appear and behave? Icons and symbols, visual icons that represent ideas or categories. How do they enter and exit? Not every brand uses all of these, but if you use any, you need consistent rules for how they behave. Now it's time to fill out the animation and motion section of your brand guidelines.